a tackle street in so and football come up. Say you don't change a winning team. So we coach Carlos Grueza and you may against England. Obo first 11 now the ball Panama. And I'll be tricky near Makaka.
I'm Rich. A good question. Where be Simon? I made the bell and K idea. For now, the coach certainly is in a selection dilemma. The same applies to the same applies to Thomas Tuchel. Ghana ain't settled on the first 11. I had the kakra. So I had the corner FM. So I had the corner. Thomas Tuchel FM. Ask me why, and I explain. Only reason or reasons in here. Now Thomas Tuchel would have to make a very big decision on a centre back pairing. First game one, Omo boy no, Rich. Say in the city here, when a centre back pairing no. Not or share Adiebi. Between Ezra Konsa and Magway. When I was a pair John Stones. Say Osha under Thomas Tuchel since Obaya. Ezra Konsa has started 10 of the games. So clearly, and of a cloud form and so edibem. So clearly, coach I prefer more of Ezra Konsa than Maguire. And England first game or boy and so you could clearly see that misunderstanding between Ezra Konsa and then
because also there be an game never. Or pen with John Stones.
John Stones.
And to me, prime who comes and I was like, I want any training. And to only name on training the official or the pen. And you know, yeah, so the center back position or pairing was exposed badly. Rich. So I idea about coach no one a headache the man or share. So he's not settled on that. Yeah, you been a problem with our back.
There for with respect to your centre back, okay,
so let's start with the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper Bernard Nebel.
No, there be made the link here. The ones make us say Ghana ne omono. Ye situation in room na no be no room. Ye centre back pair ne there. Shane Sisa, but what you say? Yen goalkeeping department for now England there it is settled. Jordan Pickford, he's their number one, and he's been their number one for a very long time. So Jordan Pickford. Echinye bia eniho ono nso mekom enim no mekyere mu nyema bia ya ye betime de bon ato na tene mama na yi me ni weakness apie retunim sa oba England oba omo right wing and omo left wing nso a enye settled on say right side of defense and left side of defense no there it is settled Nico O'Reilly and then Ricky James omo ne bebo it is settled even center of midfield in a way. No, Kabeka say settled. Elliot Anderson will start, including this Arsenal midfielder. Declan Rice. They will start. But then Rich, Sir Uba Wenimua, Saka any 100% fit. So what's your coach now? Meaning say mind games in Swa was unrisky Saka, but he could be compelled to risk him at a point in the game. It is possible to be a bit messy. Sanya Sanka between Saka and Noni Madueke.
Some first game no Noni Madueke.
Yes. And to the race, so said you and also Ete. And Obi also him Saka and so form. And then a lot of people and make sure trade to be a Saka Edebe on board. Saka is a dead ball specialist. So Yahweh. Now, Rich, over the other side of the attacker, that is the left wing side. Rich, and also you would have Marcus Rashford and Anthony Gordon of Newcastle United fame. For now, and also when I start, because Marcus Rashford first game every bench against Croatia, every bench Obaya instantly we felt his impact. Obaba be share goal. Inti and also Obaba headache. Eddie ama coach no. Say or starting Anthony Gordon. Na Marcus Rashford as an so every bench as an impact sub. And now say on starting. Na Oma Anthony Gordon and shall say in free bench. Also and also another rate the number 10 rule of England. The freelance of England, I would Jude Bellingham. Or Morgan Rogers. And also Morgan gets white. So and also when they starting number 10, Jude Bellingham. But a hokran in a way so and say yes Jude he's an established person I mean the figure and the world of experience and to me can be say at least on also selection now or you know or had the kakra now Rich Ghana team now eba so hu the coach neighbor baby ano there ought to be a reason me expect say we study England here because Rich make sure ade bi na se omutia coach no se when the selection mpo a me twi omo adwene si ade bi so na me ahu de ebe one Rich England ohu omo de niam bi aka omo game hu a very dangerous amanfo ohwe ball na omo be boss de omo possess game e ka hurricane eno an ye ka nkomo e wa bontan but Rich unim de say ka England game hu a man ye hu dead ball situations or set pieces share Emra Thomas Tuchel ebai no or did this man ebai and there was a reason here e mo kokofa papa we e de buy menim say me born din abon this Barry Rich only reason here kokofa papa ne buy or the nearby because of set pieces papa no study more than Anthony Barry or no oko invest no oko kukusua about football year pa na me no ka say we study more than 16,000 drawings so yeah Thomas Tuchel dey abeka England game no na say wutie to say on so a or buy for na or can say or say England e dey near maybe come game ho old school near maybe baba beka so old school no I be say old school no dey no dey air come no and I will say England winning games from dead ball situations or from set pieces very key.
Nyame adom so cross so Arsenal players
more debut and not just Arsenal players no. Say Oko Premier League na your boy you know in its entirety no. Of course Arsenal na bad dead ball situation na Arsenal numero 1. But over Premier League in its entirety I say normally league na more bono. Say unya more than 80% or even 70% of the players mo free league num eba ayana e inform how our team no ebo eya nunti ana Bayern Munich at a point I know players and na dominate our German national team no under Pep Guardiola no almost style of play no Germany national team the style of play a sign and so say no England so okon no about 45 to almost 50% of the goals EPL recording no na from dead ball situations. Omo into this tournament omo number 1 specialist so do the kai Declan Rice about dead ball situations she go na Hurricane SN so who corner now boy and who the technical or the boy and to Rich I idea ba ku e won say ye hwe ni because say what take here under Thomas Tuchel England has almost 40 goals from dead ball situations. Enti ya kana ye ni abre ye ho a ye ka no ade ba ko area ba ko say e ba kona certainly Abraham and Declan Rice e be baba bitina ho abo number 1 Rich e ba issue of throwing
yes Ghana your problem ba ko pa no
yes
ye defender
very dangerous Rich and they have Jordan Pickford say Pickford is still around Jordan Pickford and so what the technical there to about throwing na or too many rare opponents no round box no and Rich they na make catch say misura me say mentie Declan Rice interview or say or no idea say we enjoy perfect na enka the game ho but what Arsenal no Pep Guardiola and it Paul Vote ya or no Jovi something no omo masade na ba be ka the game ho it was so confident and South Africa win England goals home expected goals from set pieces or dead ball situations so 1.3 something and from dead ball situations so bet me amount 2 goals one bet me 2 goals in a game from dead ball situations a whole soon Ghana so your problem so Rich we your coach me patcho den na we o just our factors because we're training on Thomas Tuchel metina sense so he's a smart guy unim we ready who say England eco competition osia substandard teams or bet me a form so just be a walk in the park for them until even qualifies no so be am for ball to na tenem but say 22 goals e honey the only problem name mum what back competition proper no
Oh, be share the creme de la creme.
Yes, creme de la creme. No, Baba be share na so share. For instance, Spain. Ne ho be kire no edru honum na say ne midfield no. Edru baby na say Croatia. On say Luka Modric we do omo ani achepa. O share England or midfield ne sa. Enti there no mo be. Okay, say Koba ne say e bono aba be atpa. And I mean to creme de la creme no ensia me share some standard for any dia me share for mo so. But me share creme de la creme na say edru dia den. Me wo Arsenal be amumuni. Because how often in Spain essay goes from dead ball situations. And to know was Arsenal no a bad throwing no bet me their show. So first na can work and na to throw no so no the upper body no or sa technique no two ya and Jordan Pickford ho. Oba sa de na dia man. Rich eba and so free kicks near there. Say Declan Rice and man.
John Stones now can Jordan Pickford.
No, and you don't put a branch away in America. No, Man City player, no. Phil Foden.
Okay,
sorry,
Phil
Foden.
Okay.
Obey side you manage the man. Also, sa technique ne pa. And to what said so, the players are of from and a ball or any depending on how a game no echo. Say a drew point no fool say okay. The normal play, neighbor, me express me home. By a beer Ghana defense more NBA. Almost Sefeni midfield, no. Ye nya kwan nya de pese de ball ne ya obe start say obe try say also mu wini free kicks fouls near ade in and around the 18-yard box corners near ade obe prefer no because on himself moment on benya no so no there's another huge advantage for them and rich and when I can say me say Harry Kane as a 19 goals through headers and a Diama England national team nem kwa for over 84 goals I was out of 115 caps no. Rich. So goals the 19 through headers. The overall, the entire career and so was more than 90 goals with Niti. So what how deadly the team is. And over more rich wouldn't be a me. Every department there's a threat. Opa for the right side of defense for the left side of defense. Obiawo specialty be or the error. Ricky James was the right side of defense. The other man say, "Oh, yeah, effective pull out. The pull out who pa." Abrante when so, I want Nico Rallies was the left side of
Rally no crowd there. Oh no, side the go shasa.
Side the go shasa count. No, say only you.
Best shows here.
Yes, but I meant for them were converting. Into
defender the ball to 8 years more.
Yes. So one how dangerous are on any team no akwakoye. And to who go no ni Madueke hono. Marcus Rashford or Anthony Gordon. Now at the same time, we may have the crown here Hurricane. Now all the hono. There are certain aspects of their game or there are certain key players. One shall watch them more, so almost suppose equal threat. Rich, that is my worry. Hence, we coach. This is what you do. You have to study the strength of your opponent. That's why your selection make sure they are back. Sure. I'm goalkeeper no me weakness be na me can first 11 na I was here
na oye na time
Martinia Rich where's the Jordan Pickford pa
me Jordan Pickford onye goalkeeper ni hu yem hu da
me Jordan Pickford the one keeper or one keeper no but who say by issue of penalty savior or good at it
je ne go penalty
no me patch say or no ne strength back okra saade no but Rich unim Pickford weakness any sa o pressing Pickford o pressing a pen until me only sa temperament no at the moment I be press no or mistakes into the oba so obobo ni simban. So what you do is that or forward no also almost started press no almost starting here and the England center backs now so you say there is a weakness you can expose them. Winning against Croatia and they say essence someone say consistently look at Modric Asia or home no midfield no and Elliot no so yeah boy no press because one Modric any age on the side and to press Modric and to Drew baby no Modric, yes so around 50-51st minute and a coach no in the frame game plan look at Modric but then in Ghana yes you midfield no except Thomas Tay party now age almost side
Jude the work can in the also say first of all yeah first 11 no any saying then the approach with England threat I will be enemy say a set piece near the other no going into the game yanya den
Rich me game wo bi sam ye center backs no dey certain Ajete ene Abranti anidi ede Opoku Jerome Opoku
sena ya bebo
say yes mpacho minim say unim the current situation of Gideon Bebo sena ya nso ebebo na minim the situation of
midfield on yen start party na yen drop a yana Caleb
na yen ka goalkeeping department in the which and also very key wo game with goalkeeping is very key.
Why not prefer no?
Goalkeeping no in a way and can prefer Benjamin Asari. Me premise I me prefer Benjamin Asari. Minim the artistic aye.
Okay.
At sa level no ni save sa oye ni composure minim sa ni men but onim. Ade ba ko me pair Benjamin Asari ho any organization. Organize defense very well. So a comparative analysis between Atizigi and Benjamin Asari. I won't say Asari organize defense very well. Are very key in this game.
Anyone swear?
Anyone no rich. What beside a good question na what beside Rich him Jordan one a kasa na osi ene kasa. Enra me said that her Jordan matches be free. And I who say Jordan are you? Wakwa say chimu ye can say ujai na wejai dey.
And why no camelo?
Jordan, you be here Jordan power game win. See, sir, that is a coach in a kasa. Now Jordan, you're ready, sir, obe press. Now, see a quick transition. No, be release balls on timer. Obe very useful for us because Jordan ni play obet near crab ball ni. And we need a lot of fouls for us. Which means so me yajina. Ono ne bet me as hadi no ediamay obey pressure no because England for at the pressure beba. But Jordan base our pressure no every so one onim Premier League ni ye. Onim John Stones mu onim center backs ni ye and onim England team no.
Okay.
And apart from so onim England team no. Say Jordan enye selfish ah. Minim player or your team or more creative actually Jordan.
Sure.
No. Ball ni di onim bo. But the problem any side no. Enti an common Jordan en kasa.
Release
balls on time. Now on pressy.
Alright.
Rich, obi can send be only meko in for you.
Now me be scoreline half year.
Okay, scoreline Rich will be some scoreline. Game win. 2-1 for England.
I'm be 2-1.
Yes, I'm be 2-1. I'm hoping see a bit me anya draw. Win the nyame no krani. Me who win for us. And Rich, yes I first half for you England. Oh, the last 10 matches in so abono. O check it by 60%. First half na onya ne score line. The win ratio no 60% first half onya ne score line.
You make sure say first half no.
Exactly. And also
all right. Jude Baffour and Martin in Kanisha 104.5 50 man friends.